Assalamu alaikum students, kindly open your maths books. It's your maths online class time. So it's my lecture number 11. Today we have completed the chapter number 2, that is HCF and LCM. After completion of chapter, the last question of this page, this chapter is word problems. So today we have to solve these 3 word problems which are given on page number 36. So kindly open your book, page number 36. These are the word problems. So the first word problem are, there are some pieces of wood 18 meter, 30 meter and 12 meter long. The carpenter want to cut them in equal pieces. What size should he cut them to avoid the wastage of wood? So there are 3 pieces of wood are given. The measurements are 18 meter, 30 meter and 12 meter long. So there is a carpenter, he want to cut all the 3 pieces in equal length while without the wasting of wood. मतलब वो ऐसे कट करना चाहता है कि ये तीनों वुड्स के लकड़ी के पीसेस जो हैं वो उन तीनों की लेंथ भी इक्वल हो और लकड़ी का पीस ज़ाया भी ना हो. सो हाउ यू हैव टू कट, वो क्या लेंथ रखेगा तो लकड़ी का पीस ज़ाया नहीं होगा, वो फाइंड करना है. To solve this question, you have to take the LCM of 18, 36, 12 by prime factorization method, which we have studied in exercise 2b. So solve it by using prime factorization method. I am going to solve this question by prime factorization method. You have to take the LCM of 18, then you have to take the LCM of 30, and then you have to take the LCM of 12. Again, as you see, the last digit of this number as even number, and this will go in the table of smallest even number, that is 2. 2 how many time? 9 time. I am writing 9 here. Again, 9 will not go in the table of 2, so it will go in the table of 3 how many time? 3 how many time? 3 threes are. Now 3 will go in the table of 3 how many time? 1 time. So these are called prime factors of 18. Similarly, you have to find the prime factors of 30, starting from the smallest even number. 30 how many time will come in the table of 5? It will come 15 time. Then 15 will not go in the table of 2, so it will I am taking the smallest odd number, that is 3. In the table of 3, 15 will come how many times? 5 times. Again, 5 will not go in the smallest odd number, so the second odd number after 5, 3 is 5. 5 will come in the table of 5 how many time? 1 time. So these are the prime factors of 30. Similarly, you have to find the prime factors of 12. So 12 will go in the table of 2 how many times? 6 times. 6 again go in the table of 2 how many times? 3 times. And 3 ones are 3. 3 will go in the table of 3 how? These are called the prime factors of 12. Now I am writing the prime factors of all of the 3 numbers. I have written the prime factors of 18, 30 and 12. As you see, the 2 is common prime factors of all the 3 numbers, and again 3 is a common prime factor, so I am circling them for finding the prime factors. Now you have to take the common prime factors, multiply that common prime factor, that is 2 and 3. You will get the LCM of 18, 30 and 12, that is 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 is a meter, 6 meter. I am mentioning the unit meter because all the 3 values are in meter. So 6 meter is the length in which the carpenter want to cut all the 3 pieces, so there is no wastage of wood. Okay, this is how you have to solve question number 1. So I am going to solve its next question. Next question is, Sarah does the washing every 9 days. There is a girl who wash clothes after every 9 days, and Ariba wash the clothes every 12 days. एंड देर इज़ अनदर गर्ल हुज नेम इज़ अरेबा, वो 12 डेज़ के बाद कपड़े धोती है, और नेहा does her washing every 6 days. So they are talking about 3 girls. सारा वॉश क्लोथ्स 9 डे के बाद धोती है, अरीबा जो है 12 डेज़ के बाद, और नेहा 6 डेज़ के बाद. अब वो पूछ रहे हैं इफ़ दे ऑल डू द वॉशिंग टुडे, आफ्टर हाउ मैनी डेज दे विल डू द वॉशिंग टुगेदर अगेन. अगर वो एक ही दिन सारे आज कपड़े धो रही हैं, सारा, अरीबा और नेहा, तो वो कितने दिनों के बाद दोबारा इकट्ठे कपड़े धोएंगी. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 9, 12 and 6 by the division method, which I have told you in while solving the question number 7. Okay, here the concept of LCM by division is given. I have explained you this concept in detail. I am using this concept to solve the question number 2. So the question number 2 is, you have to take the LCM in division method. You have to take LCM. You write all the 3 numbers horizontally by putting a comma between them. Then starting from the least even number, you will see 9 will not come in the table of 2. So I am taking 9 as it is. 12 how many times? 12 6 2 के टेबल पे, एंड 6 हाउ मैनी टाइम? 3 टाइम. अगेन डिवाइड द नंबर्स आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 2. द स्मॉलेस्ट इवन नंबर 9 जो है वो 2 के टेबल पे नहीं आता, इट विल कम एज इट इज. एंड 6 हाउ मैनी टाइम? 6 3s and 3. Then again 3 3s are 9, 1s and 1s. Then again 3 1s. These are the prime factors of all the 3 numbers. So to find when all the 3 girls wash the clothes together again, you have to multiply these all prime factors to find the LCM. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. So 36 days. So after 36 days, the 3 girls Neha, Sara and Ariba washed the clothes together again. So this is the method how you have to solve question number 2. For question number 3, it's your task. You have to solve it by yourself. The method which I used in question number 1 is used in question number 3. Try to solve it by yourself. Still, if you find any problem, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.